Before we begin, we suggest using headphones so you can enjoy every word and detail with excellent audio quality. So, let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful guide that can help you transform your life and start manifesting your dreams. It's called Manifest by Roxie Nafousi. This book shows you how to stop just dreaming and start actually achieving everything you've ever wanted, from your career to your personal growth. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the 7 steps you need to follow to manifest your dream life. Let's get into it. Step 1. Be clear on what you want. The first step to manifesting is getting clear on what you want. It might sound simple, but a lot of people skip this part. If you're not sure what you want, how will you know when you've got it? Take time to really visualize your dream life, whether it's landing your perfect job, traveling the world, or even starting your own business. Write it down, make it real, and be specific. The clearer you are, the easier it will be to take the steps toward making it happen. Step 2. Remove fear and doubt. Next, we need to talk about fear and doubt. These two are huge roadblocks when it comes to manifesting. If you don't believe that you deserve what you're aiming for, it's going to be so much harder to get there. This is where self-love comes in. You need to trust yourself and believe that you are worthy of success and happiness. Let go of those negative thoughts and replace them with empowering beliefs. Remember, you are the creator of your own story. Step 3. Align your actions. Once you know what you want and have the right mindset, it's time to align your actions with your goals. Manifestation is not just about wishing for something and waiting for it to happen. You need to take practical steps every day toward your goal. For example, if you want to become a better writer, start by writing daily, even if it's just a few sentences. The more you align your behavior with your dream life, the closer you'll get to making it a reality. Step 4. Overcome the universe's test. The universe loves testing us. It's not trying to hold us back, but it does throw challenges our way to see if we truly believe we deserve our dreams. So, how do we pass the test? It's all about staying positive and resilient, even when things don't go as planned. Let's say you've been working hard for a promotion, but someone else gets the job. Instead of giving up, use that setback as motivation to keep going, knowing your time is coming. Trust that the universe is preparing something even better for you. Step 5. Express gratitude. Gratitude is a game changer when it comes to manifestation. When you start appreciating what you have, whether it's your health, your friends, or even the small wins, it opens the door for more good things to come into your life. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's already abundant. It's like saying to the universe, "Thank you for what I have, and I'm ready for even more." Step 6. Turn envy into inspiration. We've all been there, feeling a little jealous when someone else achieves what we want. But here's the thing, jealousy can actually be turned into inspiration. Instead of letting those negative feelings take over, acknowledge them, then flip them around. If a friend just launched a successful business, instead of feeling bitter, say, "Wow, that's amazing, I can do that too." Use their success to fuel your motivation, not your doubts. Step 7. Trust the universe. The final step is about trust. Once you've done the work getting clear on your goals, removing doubt, taking action, and showing gratitude, the last piece is to trust that the universe will deliver. Trust that the right opportunities, people, and experiences are on their way to you. You don't have to control everything. Just keep walking your path and trust that everything will fall into place at the right time. Remember, patience is key here. Conclusion. So, to wrap it up, here's a quick reminder of the 7 steps to manifest your dream life. Be clear on what you want. Remove fear and doubt. Align your actions with your goals. Overcome the universe's tests. Express gratitude. Turn envy into inspiration. Trust the universe. These steps are all about aligning your mindset, actions, and energy with your dreams. When you do that, the universe can't help but deliver the life you've been imagining. So, are you ready to start manifesting your dreams? Our journey with this video ends here. If you want to watch the long summary video of this book, click on the link in the description. And if you want to purchase this book, the purchase link is also available in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Minibook, and follow us on Facebook as well, because we will keep creating similar videos for you regularly. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and keep smiling.